Well, you know that last batch of cookies you burned? Maybe it wasn't your fault. Maybe it was your oven. Moore's DIY expert Eric G shows us how to find out if your oven's a little off, and then he shows us how to fix it.
Preheat oven to 400 degrees. Man, these things just never turn out right in my oven. Maybe it's my oven. Maybe it's not my cooking skills. You know, you could actually adjust your oven and test it to make sure that it's cooking at 400 degrees. Let's dive in over here and fix it, or see if it's right. All right, we've got temperatures all over the place, but you know something? This one's reading high already. And you know how I know? We've got this digital thermometer here. I use this out on my barbecue all the time. I've got two sensors that are going inside the oven so I can see what the temperature is. You don't have to be this complex. You can go get just a regular oven thermometer that just for $5 goes on your rack down there that you can take a look at. This, I don't have to open the door as much, so it's a little bit easier. All right, I had the oven set at 400 degrees, and it's about 40 to 50 degrees off. Didn't even know that you could do this. This is my oven, and it was wrong. Everyone is a little bit different. This model here, we can adjust it with the digital controls. But so many different ones, all you have to do with these knobs is pull this knob off, and there's two little screws in the back that you can adjust the setting on it so it moves where this points to. It's really that simple, plus or minus, and then you play around with it and adjust it. All right, this one here, I went on the interweb and looked it up because I didn't have my manual. I don't know how many people have their manuals. Sometimes you'll see it in there. But this one here, I turn the oven off, and then I take the hour button and hold these two things down for about 5 seconds. It's gonna beep. Now I can change the temperature down, and I'm actually gonna take it down about 25 degrees. And I'll let that set for a second here, and that's gonna adjust that temperature. Now I can turn the oven back on to 400. Give it a minute. So now we're gonna watch this and see how close we are. All right, we got this thing dialed in, even on the first shot. This is literally a 5-minute fix, and you'll probably take 3 minutes looking it up on the interweb. It's that simple. Now, when you throw that pizza in the oven, if it gets burnt, it's not your oven's fault, it's yours.
Thanks, Eric. You can catch Eric's radio show from noon to 2 p.m. each Saturday on KXL. For a link to reach Eric G, you can head to our website, kptv.com/moregdo.